Hello dear students, in this video we are going to learn a beautiful poem from our section 2, fourth poem, Have You Earned Your Tomorrow? Look at this beautiful picture. This picture symbolizes hope, brightness, optimism. The poem we are going to learn today is Have You Earned Your Tomorrow? Do we really have our brighter tomorrow? Can we earn our tomorrow? Yes, of course we can earn our tomorrow if we spend our today properly. This poem is written by well-known poet Edgar Guest. He was born in England and he was brought to the United States at the age of 7. He began his career in 1895 at the age of 14. He was known as People's Poet because his style of writing was very simple and optimistic. He is an American writer of newspaper and magazines. Now we will learn something about the poem. This poem is an inspirational poem. It inspires the readers to make their future bright. The speaker is asking the readers whether they have done anything to improve the lifestyle of another human being or not. मित्रांनो, आपल्या जीवनामध्ये आपण आपलं जीवन जर सुखी करत असू तर आपल्यासोबतच इतरांचंही जीवन सुखी झालं पाहिजे. हमारी ज़िंदगी में हम हमारी लाइफ अगर अच्छी बनाना चाहते हैं, हमारे साथ साथ बाकी लोगों की ज़िंदगी भी अच्छी बननी चाहिए. ये विचार अगर हमारे मन में है तो हमारा फ्यूचर, हमारा टुमारो अच्छा रहेगा. One should consider one's actions and deeds carefully and plan accordingly for a better future. If you want to make your future better, if you want to make your tomorrow better, you should do good work today. Spend your today in a proper way so that you will see your tomorrow very, very brighter. Look at this poem. We will read the poem. Have you earned your tomorrow? Is anybody happier because you passed his way? Does anyone remember that you spoke to him today? This day is almost over and its toiling time is through. Is there anyone to utter now a kindly word of you? Did you give a cheerful greeting to the friend who came along, or cheerily sort of howdy and then vanish in the throng? Were you selfish, pure and simple as you rushed along the way, or is someone mighty grateful for a deed you did today? Can you say tonight, in parting with the day that's slipping fast, that you help a single brother of the many that you passed? Is a single heart rejoicing over what you did or said? Does a man whose hopes were fading now with courage look ahead? Did you waste the day or lose it? Was it well or sorely spent? Did you leave a trail of kindness or a scar of discontent? As you close your eyes in slumber, do you think that God would say, you have earned one more tomorrow by the work you did today? Is anybody happier because you passed his way? कोणाच्या रस्त्याने तुम्ही चाललात किंवा तुमच्या वाटेवर कोणी आलं तर ती व्यक्ती जर आनंदी झाली तर समजायचं तुम्ही पण आनंदी आहात. आणि ती व्यक्ती आनंदी तुमच्यामुळे असेल तर अगदीच तुम्ही तुमचा आजचा दिवस चांगला घालवलेला आहे. अगर आपने आज का दिन अच्छा बीता है, आपका टुमारो, आपका कल भी अच्छा ही रहेगा. लेकिन ऐसी कोई व्यक्ति है क्या आपकी वजह से व्यक्ति सुखी है? Does anyone remember that you spoke to him today? किसी को याद है आपने उसके साथ बात की थी? Does anybody remember that you had spoken to him? This day is almost over and its toiling time is through. आज का दिन खत्म होने जा रहा है. Toiling time का मतलब hard working time is almost through. Is there anyone to utter a now a friendly word for you? अगर आपकी ज़िंदगी में रास्ते पर चलते चलते किसी की ज़िंदगी भी आपने सुखी बना दी है, कोई व्यक्ति आपकी वजह से सुखी है क्या? आपके बारे में अच्छा बोल रहा है क्या? अगर बोल रहा है तो डेफिनेटली यू हैव डन अ गुड थिंग. डिड यू गिव चेयरफुल ग्रीटिंग टू द फ्रेंड हु केम अलोंग? आपको कोई दोस्त मिलता है और आपका स्माइलिंग फेस देख के उसका भी चेहरा स्माइलिंग अगर हो जाता है, डेफिनेटली यू हैव डन अ गुड वर्क. और चार्ली सॉर्ट ऑफ हाऊ डी देन व्हॅनिश इन द थ्रॉंग. तुम्ही कोणाला आनंदी चेहऱ्याने जर भेटलात, आनंदी चेहऱ्याने एखाद्याचं स्वागत केलं तर नक्कीच ती व्यक्ती आनंदी होईल. दुःखी चेहऱ्याने तिरस्काराने त्याच्याकडे बघितलं तर ती व्यक्ती नक्कीच दुःखी होईल. लक्षात ठेवा, कोणीही तुम्हाला रोज भेटो, प्लीज वेलकम दॅट पर्सन, मीट दॅट पर्सन with a smile on your face. Were you selfish, pure and simple as you rushed along? कोई अगर मिलता है और आप सेल्फिश बन के, स्वार्थी बन के निकल जाते हैं तो आप कुछ काम के नहीं है. और is someone mighty grateful for a deed you did today? अगर आपको धन्यवाद देता है कोई, आपने उसके लिए अच्छा काम किया, तो 100% दैट पर्सन विल बी ग्रेटफुल टू यू. अगर कुछ काम नहीं किया अच्छा तो आपका फ्यूचर भी अच्छा नहीं रहेगा. कैन यू से टुनाइट इन पार्टिंग विद द डे दैट स्लीपिंग फास्ट दैट यू हेल्प सिंगल ब्रदर ऑफ द मेनी दैट यू पास्ट? आपको याद है आज का दिन आज ख़त्म होने वाला है. अगर आपको याद है आज के दिन में आप जितने लोगों को मिले हैं उतने लोगों के साथ अच्छा बर्ताव किया है. बिकॉज दिस लाइफ इज़ वेरी ट्रांजिटरी, पासिंग वेरी फास्ट. द टाइम यू वेस्टेड विल नॉट कम बैक अगेन इन योर लाइफ. आज का दिन चला गया, कल नहीं आएगा, कल रहेगा, कल नया दिन आएगा. आज का दिन जो करना है आज ही करो. किसी की ज़िंदगी में आप आए हो तो उसी की ज़िंदगी में यू मस्ट ब्रिंग स्माइल ओवर हिज और हर फेस. इज अ सिंगल हार्ट रिजॉइसिंग ओवर वॉट यू डिड और सेड. सिंगल हार्ट मतलब सिंगल पर्सन. अगर कोई व्यक्ति बहुत सुखी होगा अगर आपने उसके साथ अच्छा बर्ताव किया है. इज अ सिंगल हार्ट रिजॉइसिंग ओवर वॉट यू डिड और सेड. आपण काहीतरी असं केलं की त्याच्यामुळे ती व्यक्ती खूप आनंदी झाली, असं जर असेल तर नक्कीच तुम्ही उद्याचा दिवस तुमच्यासाठी कमावलेला आहे. डज वन whose hopes were fading now with courage look ahead. ज्याच्या आशा फेड होत होत्या, नष्ट होत होत्या, but because of you that person was encouraged and became hopeful to live a better life. If it is true, then you have earned your tomorrow. Did you waste the day or lose it? Was it well sorely spent? आज का दिन अपन वेस्टेज किया क्या, खो दिया? आजचा दिवस जर तुम्ही वाया घालवला असेल किंवा एखाद्याच्या चेहऱ्यावर आनंदाची किंवा दुःखाची लकीर, दुःखाची खूण, आनंदाची खूण तुम्ही सोडली का? इट डिपेंड्स ऑन हाऊ यू बिहेव्ड विथ दॅट पर्सन टुडे. एज यू क्लोज योर आईज इन स्लम्बर, स्लम्बर का मतलब है स्लीप, नींद. आप नींद में आपके आंखें मिटा देते हैं और सोने से पहले आप गॉड आपके ड्रीम में आता है और बोलता है यस यस यू हैव डन गुड थिंग टू अदर्स, डेफिनेटली योर टुमारो विल बी गुड. And God will say, you have earned one more tomorrow by the work you did today. भगवान भी हमारे सपने में आएगा और बोलेगा, हे इंसान, तूने अच्छा दिन व्यस्त किया है, मतलब स्पेंड किया है. डेफिनेटली your tomorrow will be better because you spent your today in a proper way. So make your tomorrow beautiful. It is in your hands. Now we will see figures of speech used in the poem. Look at the first sentence, that is line. Is anybody happier because you passed his way? Passed his way. This is an example of interrogation because question is asked for emphasis. Second, does anybody remember that you spoke to him today? This is also an example of interrogation because question is asked for emphasis, not for an answer. This day is almost over and its toiling time is through. Look at these two words, toiling time, t. So the figure of speech is alliteration. The consonant sound t is repeated, toiling time. These two words begin with consonant sound and therefore the figure of speech is called alliteration. Next line, is there anyone to utter now a kindly word of you? This is also an example of interrogation. Did you give cheerful greeting to the friend who came along? Also an example of interrogation. Or cheerily sort of howdy and then vanish in the throng. Also an example of interrogation. All interrogatory questions are asked for emphasis only to make the line more effective. Now next, were you selfish, pure and simple as you rushed along the way? This is an example of oxymoron. Selfish, pure are two opposite words placed together because selfish cannot be pure and pure cannot be selfish. This is called oxymoron. Again, this is also example of paradox because selfish, pure and simple. जो पर्सन सेल्फिश रहता है वो सिंपल कैसा हो सकता है? So contradictory words or ideas are used and the figure of speech is called paradox. Again, example of interrogation. Now look at this line. Is a single heart rejoicing over what you did or said? Here heart is a part of the body or a part of person. So part is used to show the whole. This figure of speech is called synecdoche or synecdoche. The part heart refers to whole person. Does a man whose hopes were fading now with the courage look ahead? This is the example of interrogation. Now appreciation of the poem. My dear friends, please write down appreciation of the poem, all points given here in your notebook. They are very important because in our question paper, question will be on appreciation. So first, title and the poet. The title, Have You Earned Tomorrow, is a verbal question to the readers to rethink the treatment that they are giving to others. This poem is written by Edgar Guest. He was known as People's Poet. So this is about title and poet. Then theme. What is the central idea of the poem? The speaker is asking the readers whether they have done anything to improve the life of another human being or not. One should consider one's actions and deeds carefully and plan accordingly for a better future. This is the theme. Read the theme again and again, title and the poet, and prepare it for the final exam. Then third point is poetic style. The poem is written in a simple style, an optimistic one. The figure of speech are alliteration, interrogation, onomatopoeia. These are the major figures of speech used by the poet to add effect to the poem. The values taught in the poem. This poem teaches the value that your good actions in the present will always be responsible to lead a good life ahead. आज की ज़िंदगी अगर अच्छी है तो कल की ज़िंदगी भी अच्छी रहेगी. एंड लास्ट पॉइंट इज़ योर ओपिनियन. क्वेश्चन पेपर में रहेगा योर ओपिनियन, बट योर आंसर शुड बिगिन विथ माय ओपिनियन. तुमचं स्वतःचं मत. माय ओपिनियन अबाउट द पोएम इज दॅट वी मस्ट डू समथिंग to improve the life of other people. If the people around us are happy, then our happiness has the value. Here there is a mistake. The sentence should be, my opinion about the poem is that we must do something to, correct here, to improve the life of other people. And if the people around us are happy, then our happiness has the value. Have a better tomorrow. Let us meet in the next video. Till then, bye bye. Please like my video, subscribe the channel so that you will get new notifications. Till then, bye bye. Have a nice day.